welcome back to our channel. Right now we'll be moving to Accoland for the first time. This will be my first experience along with my 4 friends. So let's enjoy the video till the end. So right now we have started driving. I have 4 friends with me. So here is one friend and here's one. ये मेरा girlfriend बनेगा आज के लिए. So right now we came across Guwahati University. We'll be moving to Accoland continuously. So be with us. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy together. Okay? I need to wear a helmet. Though I want to be a stylish guy today. It's not possible for me to be a stylish guy. Okay? Yes. Here is my bike. ये क्या नवाना है भाई? रास्ता ब्लॉक कर दिया है. Em đi bộ trên tảng quan kim ninh giảm bộ. Cái tiền bộ. Ơi cái tiền bộ pulau lâu cái này. Cái tiền bộ. सिर्फ 20 माथा के लिए हम लोग आधा घंटा रोकने पड़ेगा. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा रे भाई. Today you will be our sponsor. Hi. Sponsor shop. So this is a parking zone. You can park every vehicle. So as today is an holiday, they charge 820 rupees per head. अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे. हाय हमेशा Accoland क्या बोलता था आज गया तो भाई मामूली नहीं रे. We took around 1 hour to reach here. Kami ayah पैसा दिमु deh. Balah. Izan balah. Kami bekali manu kita gulun nih. Muris saya datang tuh aske. Ambil. Ani tapi kau tiga orang saya kelap sih kau nih udah ini. इसका वजह से मैं Accoland आया है. My girlfriend. Hi Ria. Hello. So, this is an entrance, main entrance. Holiday day, 820 per head. How many years old? May. Holiday for May Day. Holiday ticket red. At the one. Mira roy mamu ticket. Main entry. Hi, right now we have reached the right location, भाई. अभी तो जगह पहुंच गया है. अरे enjoy करेगा, मस्ती करेगा, ऐश करेगा, क्यों करेगा. देखते रहना, वीडियो पे बने रहेगा तो आप भी साथ में मस्ती करेंगे. We and I are here in the right location, Accoland. Most of people are talking about. हमेशा मैं सुनते जा रहा था Accoland. कभी भी विजिट करना, कभी तो विजिट करना. तो फाइनली जगह पहुंच चुका है. So I don't know whether it will be the most or more enjoyable moment. Enjoy होगा क्या नहीं पता नहीं, लेकिन आप भी ये वीडियो शुरुआत है तो आप साथ में एंजॉय करेगा. अब जो रंग से रंग पे नहीं. इसके लिए तो हम लोग आया है स्विमिंग के लिए तो आया है. स्विमिंग शुरू करेंगे. हाय Linh gì làm ra rất là già. Rani nangwang dai lao hai bé nó nè, nó này. Assalamualaikum. diving there. I no diving there. Exactly. This is Mr. Presto here in Accoland. So I will be swimming with this phone. अभी देखते हैं ये होता प्रॉब्लम. अबे clear. Yes. Come on, let's go, Bodhi. Come on, Bodhi. Oh yeah. 1, 2, go. Next location पे जाएंगे. अबे हम लोग लोकेशन चेंज करेंगे. अय्या. What a maza, man. Wow, not a Coca-Cola, it's a maza. Yes, it's good, man. Oh. Ôi, bị hoắc tới là. Đi ra đi. Bị hoắc tới ra. Đi qua cái. Hoắc gì mày? Bị hoắc tới đây. Ôi. Oh, today is the most beautiful and fun day for us. Till now we are swimming in Accoland. No, I'm not a videographer. I'm a blogger, okay? So right now I will be introducing myself. Hi. Wow. Introducing my girlfriend. Yo, see you again in this video. Then stay safe.